What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chopper, and I'm back with another video. All right, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. So, yeah, I got something special today. You know what I'm saying? Queso, Birria, Crunchwrap. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. But before I get started with that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button because it helps me grow. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get on up there. You know what I'm saying? Help me get on up there. But without further ado, I'm finna go ahead and get started. Let's go. Got the meat all rinsed out, so I'm just finna cut this in some little blocks. So how it's gonna look. All right. Put me some water in there. Put it on the stove. Turn the stove on. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting on like a medium heat. Yeah. All right, I got that going, so I'm finna add what I need to in here. Throw me some Mexican seasoning up in there. Make sure you got some flavor, man. Put me a little bit of Tony's in there, you know. A little onion powder. Won't hurt nothing. Some salt. Some pepper. 2 bay leaves. And put a good little chunk of a white onion in there. Y'all break it up and just throw it in there. All right, find me a top, put on there. All right, top. So pretty much just gonna let this cook on this little medium heat for like 2 hours. All right, so I'm saying that meat just about done. So gonna rehydrate me some New Mexico chilies and some Guajillo chilies. I don't know what's going on with that pot back there, but yeah. Smoking and eating. All right, so you just pull the seeds out. I don't want them. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it extra spicy, you know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, that's all, you know. I'm gonna let them soak in that water and rehydrate. Turn it up. You know what I'm saying? All right, throw that away. Cause I don't want that. All right, this has been cooking for about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and tear it apart. Maybe 2 forks. Start tearing this apart. Take the fat off of it too, cause I don't want that. All right, that's the last stud. That is going back in the pot. All right, so I got my blender. All right, turn these off. All right, them good and hydrated. So what I'm gonna do is grab these and put them in there. All right. Give me a can of chipotle peppers and adobe sauce. You know what I'm saying? Watch how you open them cans, you know. Them joints will cut your hand. I've done it. All right, pour that in there. Some vinegar in there. Pepper in there. Some salt in there. Some chipotle pepper in there. Some cumin in there. Cumin. A piece of cinnamon to put in there. Look, don't ask me in the comments like how much of this and how much of that. You know what I'm saying? If you been watching my videos by now, y'all know I don't measure nothing. Everything I make is Chapo style. Smoked paprika. And then to finish it, pour me some of that broth in there. Pop the top on there. And I'm finna I'm gonna unplug that first. Last time when I did this, man, stuff got everywhere. I ain't making that same mistake again. So, all right. Yes, sir. The base for your sauce, right here. All right, so I'm gonna take the top off of here. Turn that down. Give me a strainer. Take that sauce. Base. And I'm gonna pour it in the strainer. Put a little bit of water in there because I want all that. Just take your whisk and just stir it around until all of it fall in there. You know what I'm saying? The strainer is for like extra chunks and stuff that you don't want in the soupy sauce. I'll show you what I'm talking about as it goes down. Oh yeah, them little extra seeds and stuff too that you don't want in the sauce. So. All right, all that, you don't want that in your sauce. So from this point, I'm just gonna pop the top on here and let it cook for another 30 minutes. Yeah. Next, got these tomatoes. I'm gonna use to finish off the sauce and make me a consommé to go in this to go with the sauce. So pretty much all I'm doing is slicing the tomato 4 different ways. So once the tomatoes cook, this can easily like come off. I wish I had my carving knife. I don't know what I did with that knife. And then cut out the inside of it. Like that. Just throw that in the water. All right. That's all on. Turn it up. All right, them should come straight off. Then you just throw that in there. Then go in the blender, and we're gonna chop this up. I'm gonna open that up. Coming back with the strainer one more time. And then I'm gonna pour the tomatoes in there to make my consommé. Give it a good little stir. I don't want none tomato seeds or nothing in there. All that little excess stuff going in the trash. All right, just let that cook a little bit more. Now on to my queso cheese sauce. Cut me a few blocks of queso blanca cheese in there. And I'm gonna heat that up. Pour a little bit of milk in there, not a lot. All right, got that cheese sauce ready. Cheese sauce ready. And I got that ready. So all that's left to do is make my Crunchwrap. Stays, so all right. Start off with my meats. I got a piece in there I ain't chop up. All right, that meat in the middle. Put me some cheese on there. And put the tostada on there. You can't find tostadas, you know what I'm saying? You can just get you a corn tortilla and you can like do it like that. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, you gonna have to fry the corn tortilla to make it hard, of course. I left that part out. Then put a little pico on this side. Yeah. Boom. Should I tear this? Yeah, I'm gonna tear this part because it's just hanging all off. And I'm a Crunchwrap, you know. Yes, sir. All right, put a pan right there. A little butter. Spray in the pan. Make sure it's hot. I can feel the heat, so what I'm gonna do is take this part and set it right there. Tostadas normally Crunchwraps normally be burnt, so I'm trying to make sure it's burnt on one side before I flip it over. Yeah, like that. That's a little too burnt, but it's all good though. And cook the other side. Yes, sir. See that thing? That thing pretty. Knife. Cut it on through the middle. So y'all can see the inside of it. Yes, sir. Well, Let's see how it tastes. All right. Let's try this thing out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dip it. Dip it. Dip it. Dip it one more time. Of course. It's hot. I gotta blow it first. I'm gonna dip it one more time and I'm gonna blow it. Can't bite into it. It's hot. I'm gonna try it. 1 minute. One more time. All right. I don't know why I keep dipping it. It ain't doing it but making it hotter. All right. That's it right there. Y'all see the stain coming up from the sauce? Ooh. Look, you can see that? Ooh. Dip. Dip. It's hot. See the cheese in the inside of it? It's good though. Hey, it's fine though. Oh God. I could sit here on the camera and eat the whole thing in the front of y'all, but I ain't gonna do y'all like that. No. It's fire. It's hot too. I done said that before, but it's hot. On my mouth. Okay. Sorry. That's fine. But anyway, I got some more stuff coming out. Once again, sorry for the slagging. Dip it one more time. Man. One more look. That's fine. Chop away out, man.